Hi, welcome to Pharmaceutical Concept, a channel for health, wellness, and pharmaceutical sciences. Today's topic of discussion is about what is the difference between calibration and validation. Calibration performance of any equipment is compared against a reference. Calibration ensures the measurement of accuracy of an instrument compared to a known standard. It ensures the correct operation of equipment or a process according to its stated operating specification. Calibration is a demonstration that a particular instrument or device produces results within specified limits by comparison with those produced by a reference or traceable standard over approximate range of measurement. Calibration ensures that instrument or measuring devices producing accurate results. In calibration, performance of an instrument or a device is comparing against a reference standard. Calibration assures accuracy of measurement. Calibration must be done periodically for instrument. Identify if there is a drift in measurement and eliminate if through calibration. It should be performed as a equipment instrument calibration SOP. Now we are going to discuss about validation. Validation ensures that the system satisfies the stated function intent of the system. Validation is a document program that provides high degree of assurance that a specific process, equipment, method or system consistently produce a result meeting predetermined acceptance criteria. Validation provides documented evidence that a process, equipment, method or system produces consistent results. In other words, it ensures that uniform batches are produced. Validation is a document process that provides assurance that a product, service, or system consistently provide results within the acceptance criteria. There are no reference standards used in validation. Validation provides proof of consistency across all the process, batches of product, or methods being used. It should be performed when you make any change in the existing system or when revalidation period has changed. It should be performed as per validation protocol. Validation. No reference standards are used in the validation program. No such requirement shall be performed when changes or modifications happen to existing system or once revalidation period is reached shall be performed as per the validation protocol. Validation is a process that ensures that a system, product, or services consistently provide results within the acceptance criteria. The performance, quality, and other operating parameters are tested to verify that they comply with the necessary requirement. Usually, process validation is done to make sure that the buyer is given a product that meets the specification, requirement, and accepted standard. Documented results must be produced at the end of the process. Hope this video calibration versus validation is useful. Consider subscribing our channel Pharmaceutical Concept and support us. Thanks for your time. Like, comment, share and subscribe and support.